Alright, alright, alright. What is going on, YouTube? Let me move this out of the way. Welcome back to another live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Been a minute since we jumped on, but we are back in action. Let me know if you guys can hear me all loud and clear. Good to be back on the stream. New month, new week, new month, new quarter. But yeah, we should be in for... We'll be in for a good day. See what the charts bring today. See if you guys want to share some trades. All that good stuff. I had to get some more ice cubes for my coffee, man. My coffee's already melted. I mean, my ice is already melted. Alright. Let me just share the Zoom link. Alright, 2 seconds, guys. I just need to get some ice for my coffee. My coffee has already melted my ice. 2 seconds. Alright, cool. We're back, we're on. Let me just refresh this. Let me get the charts up here as well. Alright, I'll just post the link on Instagram as well. We'll let everyone know that we are live. And then we'll get started in a second. Wait a couple more minutes. We shall let a few more people join in and then we'll get started. It is hot today, man. It is hot today. Alright. Cool. Alright, here we go. 8 people. Where is everyone today? I just posted the link on my story. We should get everyone in a second. We got a couple more minutes as well. But yeah, we got some chop on gold this morning. Got NFP on Friday. I expect gold may chop until Friday. But we shall see. We shall see. Let's see what we got going on for the day. Alright, let me let the Zoom guys in a second. What time is it? 5-2. Alright, we'll give it a couple more minutes and then we'll get started. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like for the stream. Post in the chat. Let me know you guys can hear me all good. And we'll get started soon. And yeah, guys, I'm going to be releasing, for you guys on YouTube, releasing this weekend more updates on the 2024 trading retreat, which would be good. We've got the villa locked in for the retreat, and I'll be opening up a few spots to you guys who aren't in the community but are watching it on YouTube. So yeah, I'll announce more on that probably on Sunday's video. How's it going, right? I'm good, thank you. I'm good. Good to have you back on the stream. I mean, yeah, sounds all good here. Cool, thank you, man. I'm going to close this window in a second. Goldie having a little push down here. What time is it? Alright, 3 minutes. Wait, a few more people to join in. I'll give it a couple more minutes. As soon as we hit 10 likes as well, you got fam on YouTube. We'll start sharing my screen, start breaking it all down. As soon as we hit 4 PM, we'll get that hourly close on gold, and we'll start breaking down the charts here. Goldie's looking a little bit choppy. Like I said, we've got NFP, but it's fine. We'll break it all down. See if we get any scalps there. We're taking a little 13 tick scalp today. Nothing huge, but a nice little quick move. But we'll see what we got. You got non-farm employment changes later on today, but I don't think it's really going to give much movement. You got unemployment claims tomorrow as well. So interesting days. Very, very interesting days. Alright, let me let everyone in. Alright, let's just get started. Let's get started. If anyone's late, they will miss it. Have you been? I've been good, thank you, man. I've been good. I didn't trade at all on Monday. I've been pretty off the charts a little bit this week. Just been taking a little break, man. Yeah, it's been good, thank you, though. It's been good. I had a nice little long weekend, but we're back. We're back. Hey, bro, what's going on, man? What's going on? All right. I didn't trade this week yet. That's good, man. Nothing wrong with that. All right, let me share my screen. Why is the screen not loading? Trading view here. Let me bring this over. Why is this out? Alright, cool, that's fine. Alright, what's going on Zoom, guys? Welcome back.
How's it going?
How's it going, man? Yo, yo, Antonio, Dossie, what's going on? The boys. Let me just make sure I'm sharing my screen here as well. Yeah, cool. Yeah, alright, let's run over Goldie. See what we got going on for the day. Yesterday, liquidity levels got hit pretty well on gold. Had this nice little 50 tick drop, and then it kind of chopped the rest of the session. I didn't watch it. I didn't actually get the short. I took the little long up, and that was about it. But it looks like after that it continued to chop, so I was happy to not be involved in any of that. So let's have a look at the daily. So obviously we know gold has been in a crazy downtrend, non-stop downtrend, and we got NFP on Friday, and we're also coming into some big daily support here as well. But this move down has been it's just been so clean. It's been such a nice run, one of the nicest runs on gold I've seen in a very long time. So once this does find support, it's likely that it's going to probably do something like this and range for quite a while. It's not just going to tap once and just completely explode back to the upside, or just completely retrace. It's going to chop for a while on the daily, but NFP will kind of be in the main decider there. So yesterday has, for the first time, started to find some support. Still closed bearish, but still starting to find some support. The 4 hour on gold has absolutely zero direction, unfortunately. It's found this support, tried to push up, failed to push up, and even in Asia has done absolutely nothing. So zero direction on the 4 hourly for now. I think the hourly is pretty much the same, to be honest. Let me do it here on the futures chart. Closed bullish, flip back bearish, broken now back below this level here. So we were trading within this little range here. Gold's broken back below it. So there's a possibility to drive it lower. But equally, you have this little trend line coming on down here, which I think gold needs to come and grab some highs first.
Yeah.
So you got this little trend line coming on down here. I'm personally not too interested in shorts. So you got support. The 30 support is going to be. Sorry, go on.
No, you're good.
That's a good one. Yeah, so we got 30 support is right here. So right now the range on gold is 10 ticks. So a very, very choppy range on this 30. If you get a 30 breakout to the downside, then amazing, you can short it back down to some levels. And yeah, this is the 15 range. So 15 broke out, broke back below, came back up for the retest and dropped lower again. So dropping down like another 25 ticks now. And looking like you're probably going to come back down to this support. So you probably want to see how it's going to react around them levels. There's a little long trade I took, nothing crazy. But yeah, gold is incredibly, incredibly choppy right now. But like I say, it's pretty expected. You can expect it's probably going to do this all week. You can trade ranges on gold when they're a little bit cleaner. I wouldn't want to personally trade this one. But once you get breakouts, yeah, even though gold can range, it can still be worthwhile trading. You got some double top highs sitting up down here as well. So, from in these regions, potential 40 tick push up. You have the lows all the way down there as well. But you kind of want to wait to see how this first 15 is going to close. So 30 tried to push up, flip back bearish, Owlie's reflip bearish. So the previous Owlie has just been bullish and then bearish. So you kind of want to see how now this is going to go. This was looking like a potential morning star to re-break the highs and flip bullish, but now it's flipped back down, so yeah.
Do you think all of this could have to do with the uncertainty in the market at the moment?
Yeah, I think it's just with how strong gold's pushed down. I think it could range for a good couple of days, to be honest.
Yeah.
I think, man, if we look at but yeah, with NFP on Friday as well, yeah, it can kind of chop until then. But anytime you do have a big move down, you can expect gold's going to range for probably a month or something. You can still trade the ranges, but in terms of overall swing direction, I think gold could just stay around. What we've got 1850 and 1800 for quite a while now. Something like this. Do something like this for a while.
Well, it does look like there's still opportunities though in runs.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah, you can still scalp some nice little plays. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Simple scalping 20 to 30 ticks is nice.
Yeah, it's easy, man. Yeah. So if you look at this little range today, just from these lows to these highs, is already 35, which is great. So you just need to wait to. If you can trade the ranges, you can only really trade the ranges when you're either at the highs or at the lows. Do we grab any highs there? No, really. So I'm actually gonna mark on these highs as more of a double top, potential liquidity level up there as well. So we got some highs up here and some highs up here. So at any point you want to be seeing if gold can find some support to keep pushing higher. Although the Owlie did just flip bearish, so it's pretty difficult. Gold used to range before NFP, totally normal. Yeah, it's completely normal. It could range on a higher time frame for quite a good while, depending on how volatile NFP will be as well. Let's have a look at Nasdaq here. So Nasdaq came back down, re-grabbed the lows, didn't really grab any highs. I'm not sure if the S&P did. Let's see. Yeah, S&P grabbed the highs, Nasdaq doesn't need to. Very nice. Let's have a look at Nasdaq on the weekly. Big doji candle. Previous week's already been grabbed. Look at that gold pushing. But yeah, Nasdaq looks like had a pretty. When was this? Yeah, yesterday had a pretty Pretty strong move down again on NAS, respecting that resistance, just continuing to push. It's a pretty solid push there. Yeah, Goldie coming back down to support here. I'm gonna wait for this first 15-minute close before we do. Let me turn this fan up. It's roasting there. Is it turned it up or down? There we go. Yeah, gold having a little push down here. Let's have a look at this 4-hour futures. Yeah, creeping down. I think gold can pull back today. Whether it comes to London, we'll see. But I think gold could retrace some of this push down, even just this little push. You know, he kind of pushed down yesterday. Already had that nice retracement, continuing to push lower. We'd have on gold. Could see a little spike lower and then come up and grab some highs before continuing to mess. There's a nice little push actually.
Yeah, repeat of before, of what gold did before.
Sorry, man?
You could just be a bit repeat of what gold did before.
Like this little bounce?
Yeah, it could just be another bounce or a grab.
Yeah, possibly, man. I think so. Because it is at... Let me see, you go back to the 30. Where's this 30? Yeah, so you still haven't, like, I think a lot of this can be grabbed. So yeah, I mean, if you can, let me get rid of this. It looks like we may come and wick this support a little bit more, trap some people, and then yeah, I think it from anywhere like down here could be a nice place to see this start to push up. Which one, if you know the symbol on Tradeovate? I can't find any info. Yeah, it's just GCZ. GCZ. On futures, the first two letters is the instrument, and then the third letter is the month. So you're currently trading December contracts, so it's Z. Yeah, so I didn't get this short, but this is having a nice little run. A very nice little run. A little 40 tick run, yeah, lovely push. Yeah, at any point I want to see this come up. It's pretty choppy, it's pretty hard to say, but yeah, at any point I want to see this pull back. Maybe coming down, grab here possibly. Thanks, man. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. Yeah, you kind of got to wait for. Well, you're very likely going to see gold now come and spike out some more lows. It needs to come and grab some more lows first. As soon as you come down to grab some more lows, you could look for some support to potentially pull back. But the hourly is also bearish as well. So I mean, to jump in longs, you probably want to see hourly hold like above here, or at least close back above here. The Audi has actually kind of flipped bearish here on gold, but we'll see. I don't think you're gonna get a very clear run today. Any clean setups. I think if you do get any trades, you probably have to let it breathe a little bit. Where's the Russell yesterday? Pull back. Let's see what's going on in this Audi chart on gold. I think it's gonna be I don't know if I'll see if it keeps ranging. I don't know if I'll see it for the whole 2 hours. But let's see. I personally wouldn't be watching this if it wasn't on stream, so we'll see. Good afternoon, brother. Good afternoon, man. Good afternoon. What a slow one, yeah, very man. I don't think it's going to do much. Unless we get a breakout, like I said, I may only just watch this for an hour today. I don't want to see it for the sake of it. It's pretty hard to say, like, any real direction. I think gold could come up and grab some highs. But, I mean, until you get Audi closure, like, back above here, only then would you really want to be considering some longs. Can you watch Crude? I could take a look. Let's have a look. Why not? Why not? Why not? Let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Little high time frame on Crude. Bounced off $95 pretty well. A very nice bounce off $95 on Crude. Previous 2 weeks have been very doji. How did last month close? Bullish, very bullish. Crude. So it looks like Crude's come back down, grab the lows, broken back above this level. I think you may see Crude Oil kind of bounce a little bit higher, possibly. Come up and re-grab some highs. I mean, it looks pretty choppy as well, kind of like very doji. But that's the 4 hour. In terms of what you want to see today, yeah, it's kind of creeping down. Probably watching Crude Oil to hold above, yeah, above this level here. As long as it holds this level here, you could potentially see Crude Oil have a retracement. Whether it's that big of a retracement today is very unlikely, but potential pullbacks, yeah, possibly. There's a very low volume in it now, but obviously it's only what, 7 AM, quarter past 7 AM London time, so gold grabbing them little lows now. Harry's joining. Harry's gonna want to look at the pound. So you got gold coming to grab the lows a little bit more here. Let me just close that window. Oh yeah, look at the pound as well. That's absolutely disgusting. I expect euro will probably be the exact same as well. Look at that. Look at pound futures. I would not be touching that. Have a look at the euro, which is basically euro USD. Probably doing the exact same. Yeah, very, very, very choppy. Very, very choppy. Kind of got a little support level there. But you wouldn't want to be taking anything until you kind of break out of that. What a push on gold, look at that. Lovely push. Little 15-minute fake out there on gold. 15-minute fake out. Come back up, retest. Pretty juicy push. Yeah, so you want to be watching around here for closures above or below on gold. There's going to be a pretty solid level. Pretty solid level. Mm-hmm. 2 p.m. Cage join.
Goldie.
Yeah, Goldie pushing. Pushing.
You in?
I'm in, you in?
100 contract?
Yeah, good man. Take some partials.
Nah, I'm cool then.
What up, what up?
Nah, not much, bro.
You off at the moment?
Nah, still working.
Ah, good man. You just from home?
Never stops. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at home.
Good man.
Thursday, office.
Good
Right
man.
on.
Yeah, look.
Where do you find trending songs on Instagram for your reels?
I just kind of go through the feed, to be honest, man. I just go on the little reel section and just watch someone kind of, yeah, just steal any really.
Mm-hmm.
See what's coming up on mine, and I know that's like going to be a little bit good.
Yeah.
And then post with the ones you make on reel as well, man. Post the exact same videos on TikTok as well, man. Even if I don't use TikTok, but you can literally repurpose the exact same videos on there.
Yeah, actually, the thing is, TikTok's banned in my country, so.
Oh shit, is it? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh man, fuck.
I think that will be due to excessive of cringe content.
Fuck, I didn't know that. That's crazy.
But I can directly post it to the Facebook marketplace, so it's fine.
Yeah, can you do YouTube Shorts as well?
Yeah, that's one thing. Yeah, that I can do YouTube shorts.
Yeah, do it, man. Literally take like the exact same video you do on Instagram and just chuck it on there as well. It's pretty good.
So what's the strategy for using YouTube shorts, like make it viral? Can you use hashtags?
Yeah, I only use like 1 or 2. I don't know if they have any relevance, but you can't write that much text on the shorts.
Mm-hmm.
So it just kind of has to be like just a little bit catchy, and then like maybe 1 or 2, man. I haven't really had that much success with shorts, to be honest.
Yeah,
I know some people do though. Some people get like great results off shorts, but mine never really do that.
It
Exciting.
depends on what the product is or the service is.
Yeah, with your travel, I think travel's always a booming videos to watch. I wonder if Goldie's going to find some support. So Gold's just grabbing these hourly lows. How's the 5 minute looking? 5 minute is closed. Ooh, with no bottom wick. We've got some longs. Yeah, stops down there. Yeah, 5 minutes too heavy. Good morning, fam. Good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Stops. One stop. Play down to the lows. Yeah, it's possibly, man. I'm kind of just seeing how the 15 is going to react around this support. If you close below it, then yeah, I think so. I do think like all of this noise up here is going to be wiped out today. I kind of wanted to see it happen from here. After this was a nice little morning star. Seeing this was going to reflip back bullish, but then just kind of closed bearish and kind of kept pushing down. Because on the 5 minute, you got like a double top here and you got a double top here. So there's two pretty big levels to come and grab. I don't think you're going to like see any big moves today. Like, you know, in terms of this hourly, I think you just play within these big levels. But I mean, even from where you're sitting to come and grab some highs, yeah, it's still pretty nice. It's still very nice actually.
Definitely at the daily level, isn't it?
Yeah, big level, man. Big level. I think it can drop until NFP in terms of like overall direction.
Yeah.
I still think you can. I still think you can get some little scalps, but yeah, overall I think it will continue to drop.
Adjustable face scalps.
Yeah, little scalpies. Cause even the range, like I mean, even you know pullbacks into these levels still like 20 ticks. I would love to see a lot of these highs get grabbed.
Yeah.
I think that's been respected too well. But yeah, it's likely gonna, you know, probably just come down and just like play within these levels until NFP.
Yeah. Yeah, most of the
But they can be
I
workable.
guess
Yeah, sorry man, you're good.
the trend line yesterday got tapped very low.
Yes, where did we have it now? We had it. I think we had it. What did we have it like this? I believe.
Yeah.
It got smashed. Yeah, smashed aggressively. What time is that?
Yeah.
3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 18 ticks push.
You had a nice long, didn't you?
Yeah, I was watching these highs to really get grabbed before taking that short into the trend line. So I just got long. There's a little 5 minute morning star here. I got long here. I just took that, and I wanted this big play. But after I got that, I wasn't quick enough to be able to take that little grab and then flip back. So yeah, I didn't really get the nicer play back down. But yeah, I got the little push up.
Nice. Wonderful.
Thank you, man. How many trades do you usually take per day, Aaron? 1 to 2 max, really, man. I don't really take many more than that. 1 to 2 max. Cap. Yeah, Angel got some beautiful longs as well of that 15 support as well. You got that lovely move up.
Well done, Angel.
Yeah, lovely little scalp, man. That's what, like 15 to 20.
Thanks, boys.
Yeah, good little scalp, man. Nice little bounce.
Angel's catching some lovely moves lately.
Yeah.
Fair play.
Signals
Really
with
have.
Angel coming soon.
Yeah.
I've been having more time to spend in front of the screen, so
Good man.
it has its perks and its downsides as well.
Yeah, definitely, man.
Yeah.
Definitely.
More wick that I use on this Fallout with a candle, isn't it?
5 minutes trying to find some support here. 4. No, none. Coming into some big 4-hour support as well. You wouldn't be surprised to see it pull back at least 20 ticks at some point. But where stop's gonna be?
Patience.
Yeah, patience. I think, man. I think so. Even to pull back. Yeah, 20 ticks. I think Joe's made it to Thailand today, which is pretty cool. I can't lie, I'm pretty jealous actually.
Nice.
Yeah, he just got to Phuket. Must be nice.
Oh, he has got there.
Yeah, just got there today. Yeah. Like an hour ago.
I've
Or
been there a
something.
lot. He was in Bangkok airport trying to figure out. How many suitcases has he taken?
Oh, 3. Yeah, I was about to say 3.
It was like taking the missus away, wasn't it, with a suitcase? He's a hell of a boy. Right.
Hell of a boy.
Is he meeting Ron, is he?
Yeah, I think Ron got him from the airport. Yeah.
Ah, nice. Happy days.
Yeah. I'm jealous.
Does
man.
Ron live in Thailand?
Yeah, he lives in Phuket, man. Yeah,
Oh,
he
wow.
lives there. Yeah, which is pretty
Amazing.
sweet. Pretty lucky.
He's living that trainer lifestyle.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. He's very lucky.
Very nice.
He's set up a business over there.
Yeah, he set up a business there now. Yeah, which is good.
Oh, amazing. What sort of business is it?
I think it's a restaurant. Is it a restaurant?
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
very nice.
It's pretty cool. Yeah,
Yeah.
making that bank.
Yeah. There's loads of restaurants over there.
Yeah, loads.
So some good food. Good food.
Yeah.
Good way to earn some capital.
Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely.
Put it all into gold.
Yeah, literally. Look at his 30 on gold's closed, heavy bearish. Any pullbacks, you may take it back lower actually.
Aaron, I've got a question about the retreat.
Yeah, man.
I don't know, but personally, I'm not like, I can't really have an answer because it's too far for me to
Yeah.
plan. But in case it gets sold out and then the opportunity for me to be able to come comes up, if I, for example, still go to Thailand, find my place that's somewhere around the villa, is it still possible like to swim past every day?
Oh yeah, you're still
Or-
about to come join, man. Yeah, for sure, absolutely, man, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, of
because
course,
yeah,
man.
I can't really plan that far ahead. So
Yeah.
at this stage, but I would really like to come and join you guys.
Yeah, definitely, man. It'd be good to have you on there. But yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah, we can sort that out close to the time for sure.
Okay.
It's no
well,
problem
that's
at all,
good to
man.
know.
Yeah, absolutely.
How are the numbers going? Have you? Is it sold out?
I think about halfway's gone already. I think,
Oh yeah, nice.
which is pretty good. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to it, man. Looking forward to it.
It's in a good spot as well.
Yeah, man. I've never been to Bali before. It's one of the places I've always wanted to go. So
Yeah,
it
neither.
kind of made sense to chuck it there. Chuck it there this year. I love Thailand. Thailand's great, but yeah, I think it'd be good to try somewhere new.
Yeah, no, it makes sense.
Did you say you're going to Thailand? Is that what you said, man? No, I thought you did. Goldie can give a little pullback here. I think I'm going to push lower. Anything on gold, bro? Yeah, possibly, man. I mean, 30 has just flipped pretty bearish now. You know, you've cleared all this support, so the next level is going to be all the way down here. So yeah, any pullbacks, I would like it. Good luck to buy NQ. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Good luck to, yeah, I think so. Let me see. Hourly's at a pretty strong level. Has broken back below here. Trading below this little support. You may. I'll be watching the S&P as well. As long as the S&P grabs these lows, Nasdaq won't need to. But if S&P hasn't grabbed these lows, I would be watching for this level to be grabbed. You know, you may see some people trying to do something like this. But obviously, if you're trading Nasdaq, you kind of just need to be aware of that correlation. So let me just see if they've been grabbed on the S&P. Yeah, well and truly. So all the way back there. So they're very out of sync. So yeah, it's not a bad level to look for. I'd wait to see if you can see it spike lower. But for a little scalp, let me see. Let me turn this fucking annoying music down. Yeah, for a little scalp, yeah, you could see it. You could start to see it pull back a little bit. 15's kind of finding some support here. You may grab the lows one more time. You could start to see it pull back. Yeah, not a bad little shout. You don't trade crude oil? No, I don't trade crude oil, man. No. I used to, but no. For intraday and scalping, no, I don't really trade it. I have watched it before. I used to swing trade it quite a few times. But yeah, no, not really. It's great. It's great for swing trading, but for scalping, I don't really like it as much as I like gold. Because it kind of takes can take some time to move. It's not really one you'd want to sort of micromanage. But yeah, for swing trading, I think it can be good. But for scalping, I'm pretty much just scalping gold, to be honest. I haven't taken a scalp on any other instrument other than gold in probably like over 2-3 months, maybe.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
When ninja trading, I was trying to set it up yesterday.
Yeah.
I was putting in my national insurance number and it wasn't accepting it at all. I have emailed them and I haven't heard back yet. But you're from like the same region, so
Yeah, so I had to use my Australian one, and that worked pretty. Yeah, and that worked fine for me, man. Yeah, but they should get back to you pretty quick. They're usually pretty on top of it. But yeah, I didn't use any UK details, man. I had to use all Australian, unfortunately.
so that's okay. I'll get back then.
But they're usually pretty good to respond.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because futures is so much more regulated. They do require a lot more than you. Like, you could set up a forex broker in probably like 5 minutes or some dodgy shit. But yeah, with futures it's a lot more regulated, so they do require more. Look at this push. Look at that push, are we? GC and NC is better for scalp. Yeah, I agree, Anthony. Yeah, I agree, man. For scalping, yeah, I agree. Because you know, crude oil it can move, but it's not. Yeah, it's not really scalp worthy moves. This is a big push on gold. No clear direction. If we get pullbacks, like I say, then I would like to short this. I want to see us come and grab some of these previous little 5-minute highs here. And let me just make this a little bit bigger, probably too zoomed out. I like to see it come back up, wick out some of these highs before potentially pushing back lower. Something like this. Come up, grab some highs, and we can dip it lower. Because you've broken all support levels pretty nicely now. I think you may continue pushing. But yeah, NFP this week is going to be interesting. Crude can be for intraday. You hold the position for a few hours. Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, it's not one you want to micromanage because it can take a while to move. It does move nice, but yeah, it can take a while to move. If you trade like London or something anyway. So it's like this is New York. But like so if we look at where's London, so this is a nice little bounce yesterday. We're still like almost 100 ticks in London, but yeah, it takes what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so like 3 hours to have this little move up, which is not bad. But yeah, it's not really a scalping one for me personally. I do prefer Goldie. I much prefer Goldie.
Hey, Aaron.
Yes, man.
How many of those trips like the Bali do you do in a year?
I've only ever done one a year, man. But I would like to in the future do 2 a year at some point. Yeah, I'd want to do 2 a year.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So.
Holy.
Yeah, look at this push. Yeah, like even a retreat, maybe once a year, but other meetups and maybe in-person boot camps, etc. Yeah, I would like to do more of them in the future for sure. A couple a year maybe. Yeah, I think that'd be good.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, hopefully we'll do some. Yeah, hopefully we'll do some more next year, man. At least retreat and maybe like another Australian boot camp somewhere next year would be pretty sweet. I think. It'd be pretty good, man.
I think the boot camp's a decent idea.
Sorry, man.
I think the boot camp's a great idea.
Yeah, thank you, buddy. Yeah, I think it would be good. A nice little
make more
in-person
people
somewhere.
aware of actually trading as well.
Yeah, definitely. Host some of them. I don't know if many people in Australia do boot camps, but I think it'd be good.
I'm not seeing one person do it except that
Yeah.
old mate who says he's got an AFSL license.
Yeah, that clown.
Or even a social catch-up at Fallon's Brewery one day.
Oh yeah, absolutely, man, absolutely.
At Bellensbury?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you busy boy.
I live right next door.
God, but it's really?
Yeah, it's in my backyard.
So
I've
good.
been missed every day.
Absolutely.
Have you been to the Stone and Wood Brewery in the Valley?
I haven't.
No, I do love the Stone and Wood.
Oh, nice. Most favourite beer ever.
Yeah, Cade's sponsored. Cade's trying to get a sponsorship.
Yeah, one day. One day.
You plan on doing more locally with the group? Yeah, I'd like to, Scott. Yeah, I mean, if people want to do it, absolutely, man. Yeah, 100%. We'll do it before the retreat. Yeah, if people want to do it, definitely. I think that'd be good, man. Go spend the day somewhere, for sure. Absolutely, yeah, I'd be down for that, man, for sure. Just either go for lunch and, yeah, some beers somewhere. Yeah, absolutely. How long did it take you to become profitable? About 2 years, man. 2 years. At least 2 years. I've been trading for 5 years now, so yeah, at least 2 years. 2 2 years of grind. So gold's finding some support here, which is nice. If you start to bounce more from this region, I want to see pullbacks to short into these lows. The more you bounce from here, the more likely people are going to be trying to do something like this. You know, which is great. I want to be now shorting into that. So at any pullbacks into these levels, this is now giving us a nice little liquidity point here. Still pretty far on the FX side actually. Still quite far. How far is this down? Yeah, 26 pips. Yeah, which is good. This is a good enough range to be able to trade. So any liquidity grabs at these highs, and we want to be playing this down. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Aaron, do you expect gold to retrace before the US session? I don't know if it will retrace before the US session. I think, you know, these lows may be grabs. You may keep pushing down, but at some point today, I do think gold could come up and grab all of these highs here. You know, I think anyone who is, you know, short from anywhere in this, even this resistance up here, is probably trying to do something like this. So at any point, yeah, you could spike out a lot of these highs. So if I can short into these lows, that'll be my TP. As soon as we hit that, you could be looking for longs. Exactly the same as yesterday. Took longs into that high, TP, push back down. So pretty much the same. Look for some shorts down as there, and then potentially longs back up into this double top and into this double top up here. There's actually, even though gold is in a big range today, there's actually some pretty nice liquidity regions now. I would like to see it grab these lows before this push. The only way I would be just jump straight in the longs is if you get closures back above here. This 15 is going to close in 7 seconds as well. Let me just make this 5 a little bit bigger. So you're coming up and grabbing them 5 highs now. Yeah, no bottom wick on that previous 5. Next 5 minute reversed. So you've just grabbed them highs. 5 minutes close quite bullish, so you'd probably want to see this current 5 close a bit doji. Re-grab the highs, close a bit doji in order to want to look for some shorts here. Are YouTube ready for a trade? That's a great question, man. That is a great question. That is a fantastic question. Let's ask. Let's ask, man. Because this is week 2, actually. This is week 2. Where's the document? I've lost the document now. Let me find it so people know what's going on. I meant to post that. I meant to post the highlights of last week on Sunday as well, but I couldn't get it up on time. Here it is. I'm not even logged in here. Let me log into Tradeovate as well. Alright, we're in. Yeah, let's ask the question.
You got my attention. What's up? What's happened? Sorry.
We're doing a YouTube challenge. We're letting YouTube trade for us.
Oh. Lord. That's me.
Anyone else getting kind/appropriate comments revoked? I'm getting non-stop banned comments. I haven't seen any. You've had any banned yet, man? All right, let's start the poll. Is YouTube ready to take a trade? Let's trade or no, let's wait. All right, we'll start the poll. YouTube fan, the poll is in. Remember, this is... Sorry, man?
How many viewers?
55.
99% of them are going to be like, just yes, it's just going to be a Hail Mary.
Well, surprisingly, last week it was actually kind of... We had... What did we have? Last week there was one winner and then one loss. And then... No, sorry. One loss, one winner, and then one loss. So this account here...
Is 33.3%.
Is the account's only a -1R, which is not bad.
But it's not good.
It's not good, but it's not bad. What's Top Step? Top Step is a futures funding firm. This is what we're doing on this. Let me share it. So if you guys on YouTube, you guys will call the trades, and I'll take it on this account as normal. We'll go for the 1-to-1 risk to reward, 10 tick stop loss and 10 tick TP, based on your guys' votes. Based off a 30 and 15 close. How long are you doing that challenge for? Show the accounts. Doing that, man, until we pass or blow it. To be honest, if you guys on YouTube, do pass the challenge, like I said, then I'll either give away the account, or if I can't give away the account, I'll give away like 2 months access to Top Step. So the more you guys on YouTube work together, the more likely you will to benefit. So what's the poll saying right now? 68% are saying let's trade. 32% are saying let's wait. So the poll is in. Alright.
Like there is consolidation around here now. Add a little popper.
Yeah, I reckon if we grab some lows, you may go higher. Grab some little 5-minute lows. Next 5-minute.
So price was stalled, it's not even moved, has it?
Nah. Bullish or bearish? Let's wait. Alright, the poll is in. You guys on YouTube, you guys said you're ready to take a trade. So the poll is in of where do you think the next 5 minutes going to go, and based off this closure, that'll be the trade that we'll be looking to take. If you guys don't want to take a trade just yet, you can select let's wait. They want to wait and trade NFP.
Oh, kid, your little one looks so smart in that suit.
Oh, yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, he's gonna break some hearts when he's older, right?
And he's going to look so dapper. It's going to be mad. We're actually on the hunt for a little suit for him.
Nice.
Maybe not a jacket, but for like the suspenders and stuff.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
And have him run down the aisle. So
Go on.
How long we got to 5 close? 2 more minutes. 36% of people are saying bearish, 36% saying let's wait, 29% saying bullish. So it's not off this 5-minute close, it'll be based off where you think the next 5-minute close is going to go after this. So we'll let this form for a little bit. And if the poll stays 50-50, then we can just wait for more price action. You guys don't have to take a trade just yet. If you'd rather wait, just select let's wait, or if you want to trade, then yeah, call it. We go 5 contracts, 1-to-1 risk to reward. Like I say, if you guys on YouTube do pass this challenge, then I'll either be giving it away or giving away like 2 months access to Top Step. So you guys got to work together on this.
Fucking dangerous.
Yeah, man. Well, it actually started off. The challenge started off because I posted me taking a break even or something, and someone, well, two people commented on my Instagram, being like, "Why the hell would you short there? Like, you're stupid, all this." So I was like, "Well, come on then, come put your money where your mouth is and trade on stream. We'll take your trades." And obviously, then like neither of them showed up, so I was like, "Fuck it, we'll turn it into some fun."
Typical. Hey?
Yeah, typical.
So typical.
You could show winners. People go show your losses, then you show your losses, and everyone's a fucking know.
Yeah. Yeah. That's always the way. Someone's always better than you. Right?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, good point. Yeah, I think that's what we're waiting for. So 50, basically bullish and bearish is 50%. So I'll have to end the poll in like 30 seconds. If it stays that you guys are conflicted, then we'll wait.
The thing I found with trading is you can't win without losing. You just need to make sure you've got more wins than losses.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah, losses are part of the game, all part of the fun,
Yeah.
part of the game. No hiding from them. If this wasn't the last 5 of the hourly, I would actually want to take it.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah. Because it came down, re-grabbed
We
the
would
lows.
still have to survive the hour living.
Yeah, very true, man. Very true.
With this volume, I don't think it would just push away.
Nah, I agree, man. So 42% said the next 5 minutes going to be bullish. 31% said bearish. 26% said let's wait. Ooh, it's pretty even. So I'll let you guys wait. It's pretty even. The 5 minutes going to close bullish. Let me actually get trade a bit up here. Top step. But yeah, this is the last 5 of the hourly. So I don't know if it's fair to make you guys try and call a direction on the last 5 of the hourly, because this can be the time when gold can see the most manipulation. You always want to be careful taking a trade on the last 5 of the hourly. The last 5 and the first 5. I mean, yeah. Flips on this current 5 would be nice, but yeah, like you just said, you'd then have to survive the next hourly bottom wick. So it kind of makes sense to wait for that, I think.
Yep.
Otherwise, flips on there would actually be nice. Protect me from the hourly wick. Yeah, I think so, man. Let me see that entry you got. Yeah, that's nice, man. I was literally looking at that as well. Came down, wicked out the lows. Yeah, if it doesn't flip, because this is a nice little liquidity low. So if it re-grabs this low, you'll probably just keep pushing down. So yeah, you'd want to be. If you got an entry from there, that's amazing. You want to be break even. I wouldn't close it. But yeah, just be break even. Grab yesterday's lows, trap bears and spike up. Yeah, possibly. I think so, man. I think so. You kind of got. Wait, I'll get rid of my arrows because that's not really fair. You got a double bottom down there as well. Crypto bearish too. That's what we like to hear. Bitcoin to 0, hopefully.
Whoa, no. I'm still in from 13,000, thank you.
Nice. Hodl in that.
Still in, yeah. I haven't even checked it, I'll check it now. I think I left like 80 quid in it, or 100 quid or something like that, stupid.
Nice.
Just for shits and giggles to see where it went. I'll see where it is now.
Hide the profits and just show the percentage return and then start a course or something.
I could do that, couldn't I?
Yeah, definitely, man. Just don't show how much profit it is, but just show the percent gain and yeah, start a course or something.
That's fair enough.
What everyone's doing.
makes sense, to be honest, doesn't it? You wouldn't, just like showing your losses, you wouldn't want to do that, do you?
No. We don't take. I don't take losses.
No. Oh my god, I can retire. Right, see you guys.
See you, man.
Good
Enjoy.
soon.
Have a good life.
Love you, bye.
Thank you, Dippin. Yeah, I think Nasdaq's still gonna grab that low we mentioned. I think it has to grab them lows before a potential push up. This is what you'd want to see. And as soon as you wick out these lows, well, this is the last 1 minute of the hourly, so it's looking like it's going to close actually pretty bearish here. For you guys on YouTube who said bullish on the next 5 minute on gold, it's currently pushing lower. Bar's nice, and so you don't have to wait for the last 5 of the hourly. So we'll let this hourly close, and then you guys on YouTube, I will post in the poll again. You can decide which way you want to take a trade. Yeah, I like that. So left chart looks almost ready. Yep, it does. Alright, let me get the poll ready in a second. Did you switch top left? Yeah, top left. This is. I use these 3 for gold, and then this top left one is for anything else. Do you watch DXY as a complement for gold? No, not really, man. I don't feel like personally provides any value. It's not like, I think I've said this before, it's not like the DXY is like ahead of time, it's going to tell me something before gold does it. It's pretty much like the exact same thing. Like it's basically, the DXY is basically just the inverse of Euro USD. It's not really going to tell me where the US dollar is going to go before gold actually does it. So I personally don't see any value in it.
No.
I used to watch it all the time, but now I just got to a point where I was like, this is bringing no value to me other than me wasting time and hesitating, because I may think DXY is going to do something, so I don't take a trade on gold, and then it ends up doing something completely different. I'm like, this is pointless. Unless the DXY, could somehow show you something before gold did it, then I could see some value in it, but obviously it doesn't, so yeah, I personally don't have any reason to watch it, yeah.
This could be good.
Enjoy, Antonio, man. Enjoy it. Oh, YouTube fam, you guys who said long would have got stop loss. Stop loss would have got hit there, I think, yeah. But I put up a poll again, so you guys can decide where you think the next 5 minutes is going to go. Let's just have a look, see how that hourly's closed. I'm actually kind of liking the look of this price action now.
Yes.
Hourly started to find some support. 30 did actually close bullish, coming back down to this level here. You guys on Zoom, could be a potential morning star forming right here.
Morning star.
Okay, thank you. No worries, man. No worries. Like I say, I used to watch it. I used to watch it every single Sunday, but I just got to the point it's like, it doesn't really do anything for me. If you want to look at currency indexes, you need to work out the formulas of what they would be unweighted. Because like I say, the DXY is just like what, 80% made up of just Euro USD or something crazy. There's ways to work out the formulas, but I'm not going to go into it now.
No, well.
Secrets.
Hold on there now.
What's the poll saying? 50% of people are saying next 5 minutes is going to be bearish. Well, you guys got 2 minutes until this poll is going to finish. And then if you guys have a direction, that'll be the trade we're going to be taking. 5 contracts, 10 tick stop loss, 10 tick TP. If the TP runs, then obviously, you know, we'll lock in 10 and see how it runs. So you guys can eventually pull out more than a 1-to-1. Which I think someone asked me. Did someone ask me if what risk to reward? When you're scalping gold, what kind of TPs are you going for? 1-to-1 risk to reward or more? Typically more, like, you know, 1-to-2, 1-to-3. Depends on the trade, to be honest. Risk to reward is never static. Nice absorption on delta. Good man, very nice. Ooh, look at that. 45. This is the emotions of the market. Gold's wicking back up, and now people are saying bullish. You guys have got 1 minute to decide here. 44% of people are saying bullish. 44% of people are saying bearish. 12% are saying let's wait. If you guys don't, if there's no direction, if you guys don't, if there's not a more confirmed direction, then we'll wait. But if the majority vote says bullish or bearish, that'll be the trade we take. Remember, guys, this isn't a trade that I'm personally going to take, but it's one I'll take for this challenge. %42 saying bullish, 42% saying bearish. You guys have got 40 seconds here. %20 of people saying let's wait. Interesting, interesting. Alright, that's it. 20 seconds. Alright, votes are still 50-50. So, clearly no direction on gold just yet. So we got to wait for this to give a little bit more. So we'll do the poll in a second. Once we get more price action from this 5 minute, I'll let you guys do it again. There's an even vote again. I was going to say, if this gives an instant bottom wick, you may look for a flip. 30's given that nice morning star. 15's just re-grabbed some 15-minute lows. Big 5 minute wick there. If that had given an instant bottom wick, I could have taken the break of that high.
You are.
Alright, let's do it again.
Very nice, very good.
Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. Just run to the toilet. Oh, we got 3 more minutes till this 5 is going to close. So we'll see. You guys on YouTube decide where this poll wants to go, and that'll be the trade we take. So far, 71% of people are saying the next 5 is going to be bullish. Remember, guys, I don't mean this 5. I mean the next 5 after this one. So as soon as this closes, based on the poll, that'll be the next trade we'll have to take. If you guys can pick a majority vote direction.
Head and shoulders as well. Well, there's a head and shoulders and a head and shoulders on the 1 minute.
Really?
Yeah.
Which head and shoulders is going to win? From
There's
from
2
just the one.
inverses.
Left, head, right. Oh, 60% people saying bullish now.
What's changed?
Yeah, it's changed. Yeah, you guys see, this is the emotions of the markets. Once it starts to reject, everyone switches. Oh, 64% people saying bullish. Remember guys, these aren't trades that I will officially take, it's just for you guys having fun on this challenge. It's not a trade I will officially take, but it's be one for you guys to take on this challenge. This is week 2 of letting YouTube trade for me. If you guys get the votes to 50-50 again, then we will wait. If you guys don't want to take a trade yet, get it to 50-50 and we can wait. Ooh, 53% saying bearish now. Ooh, look at this. Oh, look at the poll changing as prices like flipping bullish and bearish here. You guys, our emotions are all over the place. What's going on? 50-50 now. Now it's back to 50-50. You got 30 more seconds until I'll end the poll. And if it stays at 50-50, that'll be the trade. Sorry, that means we'll wait. Oh. Oh, more people are saying bullish now. Look at this. I don't really want, if you guys say bullish, that'll be the trade we have to take. Alright, you got 8 seconds. Right, what's the poll saying? What was the poll saying here? Ooh. Bears have won. 54% of people said that we're going to flip bearish on the next 5 minute on gold, so that's the trade we've got to take here in 10 seconds. There it is. This is the trade for the day.
Go on.
Let's see. How do we got to this close? 2 more seconds. You guys pick the trade. Alright. There you go. There's the short.
Aaron's secretly putting his time contracts in.
Look at the fills there. Not a lot of liquidity in these markets today. So, that's the trade. YouTube fam gave the direction. 10 tick stop loss. And a 10 tick target as a TP1.
Do 5 contracts deep, are you?
I'm not. This is just for the YouTube challenge, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. YouTube fam said 56% of people said bearish, 45% people said bullish. So let's see who's going to win. This is the trade we're in. The fill wasn't the best there, so there's not a whole heap of liquidity in the markets right now. But that 5 minute did actually grab the highs and reflip back bearish, so let's see. Like I say, you guys on YouTube, you got to be working together, because if you guys pass this challenge, I won't be keeping it. I'll be giving it away to one of you guys. The max loss on this account is like 3,000, I think. Oh. YouTube fam. Oh no. Alright, we'll put in the next poll if you guys want to hold or close. Hold or
I
close.
think it'll be gone by that, but
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, there it is. YouTube fam. It's all bearish. Man, it's just been stopped out. Oh, YouTube fam. That's the second L. Second L in the account. You guys need to start watching the videos more. What's going on?
Are you doing a separate Excel sheet for the YouTube?
I'm documenting all his videos.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. What's the challenge? Explain one. So this is the challenge where we have a 50k account in here, and I'm letting you guys on YouTube decide the direction of the trades that we take. And so far we had 1 loss, 1 winner, 1 loss, and now another loss, unfortunately. But it's alright, you know, you guys on YouTube are down like 2 risks to reward. It's not the worst in the world, but we're not off to the best start here. We're not off to the best start. Let me screenshot some more.
For a moment, I thought it might go bearish.
Yeah, I thought it might have flipped. Yeah, I thought it
Like
might have flipped,
since
yeah.
we didn't have a bottom wick on it yet.
Yeah, I agree, man. Yeah, okay, genius. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is just fun. Like I say, this isn't my official trades. This is just for you guys on YouTube to have some fun, call the trades, and we'll take the trades that you guys call.
I'm unsubscribing you on YouTube.
Yeah, everyone's leaving. Like, this guy gives the worst signals.
Roadmap to 5k followers again.
Yeah. Apologies, doesn't mean to disrespect you, but why did you enter at market? Hasn't grabbed previous fives. This isn't my trade, man. Like I said, this isn't my official trade. I didn't take this trade on my actual account. This is just for you guys on YouTube to call their action. This is just simply based off what you guys gave on the poll. This isn't my official trade. But that was the trade for today. 10 tick L.
Trade of the day.
So, you guys on YouTube on this account, a minus $1,000. Yeah, is it only 2,000? Does that mean you got 2 more trades left? You guys on YouTube need to start watching the videos more. You guys are supposed to be smashing the challenge. And how you doing today? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. I'm good. Look at this push. Look at that.
No entry for me.
30 Morningstar. What a push. Nah, not really, nah. Unless you take it off the 15. So 5 minutes, a bit too shit. Break the 15 highs. 10 ticks.
You could have like gone off the levels, don't get me wrong, but at the same time,
Yeah.
looking at those candles, I'd never would have gone off those levels.
Off the 5 minute, nah. Off the 15 it was actually quite nice.
Yeah, 15 is there.
Grab the lows. Re-break bullish.
Took them right there.
Go.
Was Beer still in?
No, I think he would have got break even, I think. Yeah, Owly.
Oh, he's a 5-1Z. Oh.
Yeah. I think he had longs from like here, yeah.
I thought you would have that 8 AM candle. Still a good trade though.
Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, it was a good trade. Super bearish? I don't know.
Were you one of those ones that lost that trade?
Yeah, I didn't say bearish. Oh, look at this. The man himself has just joined. The Thailand traveler. Look at him. Look at that grin.
Yeah, King of
It
Thailand.
must be nice. You jet lagged, Joe? No, he's asleep. He just fallen asleep.
God no.
He just
Yeah,
fallen
that
asleep.
bloke sleeps more than the biggest sloth. He's not jet lagged.
Thailand still using 3G.
The internet is really good there.
Yeah, it is actually, yeah. Oh, Joe's gone. Bye, Joe. Enjoy Thailand, man.
I was only joking.
Simply no trade zone. Yeah, no trade zone for me, yeah. Anywhere in here is not really a clean level for me, yeah. So I haven't taken any of these trades on my personal because I don't really see any clear direction just yet.
We have EDP just after the session open, so
Yeah, probably. Majority of the markets are bearish right now. Yeah, I think on gold you're going to see all of this trendline grab, like I say. But you may also grab Owly lows one more time as well. Yeah, see, Owly's back at resistance. So, you know, you haven't really grabbed any lows. Whether you grab the highs first or not, possibly, but I think you could see gold. Look for some sells from here. 50 ticks back down to the lows. Come on, you probably come and grab the highs one more time though. So what did you guys take? I think you guys on YouTube took what, minus, where is it? Minus $500 on that position. Minus $500 in 5 minutes. That's not good. That is not good. For me personally, I don't really see any clear direction just yet.
Yeah, 5 minutes too choppy right now.
Yeah. Could have had the little bottleneck of the 30 scout, but it's not that clean. 25. 1821 up. 1821. I think this 5 minute needs to grab highs one more time before we see this hourly continuation. I'd see it grab these highs one more time. Then you may see a dip.
Dip.
A little dip. A little dip Rooney.
Love a good dip.
Oh, I didn't say. I'm not saying anything. He's not your mate. He's John Lucas' mate.
No.
Here he is. He's awake.
He is John Lucas, man.
Oh, here we go.
He jet lagged you.
I am a bit, yeah.
There is no way.
1 second. Oh, I can see you. Hi, Alan, you right? How's it going?
This is Joe's first time using technology, guys. First time seeing a video camera.
I've just been 7-Eleven with Ron.
Nice. Are you at Ron's place?
That's why I did it, yeah, I am. It's, oh, mate, it's stunning.
Yeah, good man.
Stunning. Look, it is raining, but PC. Ron,
Here he is.
this is my little place. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice, man. That's nice. Ron's too good to you.
So we just thought we'd lock in.
Private pool.
So let me guess
You
you
hired a bike, yeah?
and you're going.
You had a bike, yeah. Are you actually gonna wait? How long are you in Ron's place for before Vietnam? Because you're going before me, aren't you?
Yeah, till the 25th, and then I go to Ao Nang Krabi for 4 nights, and then I go to PP for 3 nights. And I
Nice.
come back to Phuket, meet up with Mark, Ron, and then meet you in Vietnam.
Nice, man. Must be nice.
You would learn from Ron how to trade in car.
Learn, get Ron to teach you how to trade in his car.
Yeah.
Not on a bike.
What the
Yeah, they got
on a
that
bike?
You know me and bikes, don't you? Oh, they don't go well.
Where is Ron's place? Is it in Patong?
Katu.
Oh, where's that?
How far is it away from Patong? Just over the mountain.
Oh, sweet. Nice.
Yeah, we're gonna go find a bike, a slow one.
I think you control it. I don't know if it's like automatically.
I almost crashed that about 3 times last time. Thought that was bad that.
At the last hurdle, drove all through the night, all through the busy streets, and pulling up to 7-Eleven, Joe crashes.
I get excited when I see 7-Elevens.
Yeah, to be fair, Thailand 7-Eleven's fucking amazing.
Oh mate, guess what I saw, Aaron?
But
The chocolate croissant.
oh man, they're amazing.
Juan is out there at the moment as well.
Sorry?
Juan is out there at the moment.
Yeah,
No, he's not.
I'll post in the group chat. We'll post in the group chat.
Is he actually, Alec? Yeah.
Yeah, he's messaged
Or is this just one of your
directly in WhatsApp.
We'll get you guys to meet up. Alad wants to do a UK meet up as well.
I'm the only one now. Joe's left me. I'm the only one from the UK. Oh no, there's another Welsh guy in there.
Yeah. I know Aussies are taking over.
He unfollowed. He deleted me off Discord. Not gonna lie.
I do. They don't like you.
Yeah, have you took anything? PHU, alright.
Yeah, we just got stops to break even at the minute. I'm from 1833.2.
Well, that'll be the case. Is it on YouTube?
Closed half at 35.3. Yeah, I think that's a nice entry, man. He got long at 33.2, closed half at 35.3. Yeah, lovely one, man. Lovely little scalp there. So you got, yeah, over 20 ticks. Yeah, nice scalp there, man. Stop loss. Just above break even. Yeah, nice trade. Very nice trade, man. That 5-minute bullish push, yeah, very nice. What?
Are you serious?
What? Did you say are you serious or can you see us?
Because every time someone enters the chat late, you say yes, that's a break even. Give on them.
Are you gonna start scalping futures now, Joe?
I'm just gonna go and pop a bottle in Illusion.
He's runs, mate. Yeah, my mate.
Get Lucas making us in VIP.
The 15 close above the resistance could be good for long. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking for, man. I want to see this 15 close with some good volume, and the 30 to close bullish, and then I can look for a trade. Yeah, that's all I'm really waiting for here. I just need to see this. I just need to see more price action from this 15. But if we do start to close a bit doji, then remember you do have the hourly lows to potentially grab as well. So at any point this could flip bearish. You re-grab these highs that I mentioned one more time. So once you do find some resistance here, you have the potential to short it back down to the hourly lows. Because you see you haven't really grabbed this low here or these lows here. And you're back at hourly resistance. Is that an instant top look on the 5? Yes it is. Oh, if that can push up a little bit more, you may short into the 15 close. Are you listening, Joe? We're giving you some signals here and you're not even paying attention.
I'm sorry, I'm a bit overwhelmed.
Nah, I think we wait for the 15. How many
I need
pips?
a bit of time to settle in, you know what I mean?
I know what you mean, man. What time is it there? 20 pips.
2:30. I had slept since yesterday, 6 o'clock in the morning.
Did you not sleep on plane?
Half an hour. But I were idle, so kept getting like woken up every like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because needs to go to the toilet. I've got time to rest up.
Good man.
I should be alright for the time you come to Vietnam. That's when my sleepiness will stop.
Yeah, get that sleep in before.
Hey, I've got proof of you being more sleepy than me.
I'll believe it when I see it. I'll believe it when I see it. What would this be? Stops would be there.
Got you on the big screen.
Good man.
Look.
Oh yeah. There you go.
You're a bit delayed.
Yeah, lag.
What?
Yeah, what the hell?
Alright.
Oh, there you go. And I long Nas, like I told you, made 620 done before London. Good man. Good man. $620 on that little push up is very nice, man. Very nice. I'm trying to see if this 5's going to flip bearish on gold for some shorts. Does it feel good to be there, Joe, or does it feel a bit weird to be taking the leap?
Feels weird.
Yeah, I bet, man.
No, right, I'm on. No, it feels good. Like
Good.
It feels better when you're here. Like I was nervous before I set off.
Yeah.
I'm right now. When you know you've got people who are doing the same thing, trade, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's why it's good you have Ron. You're not actually fully like doing it on your own. It's good that you have that.
So I've got Ron here, got Mark coming, you, You know, Vietnam boys and got Bali, haven't they?
Yeah, man. Got to head off. Good luck. Enjoy Riley, man. See you next time. Oh, is this 15 going to close strong on here? I was looking to see if this 5 is going to flip bearish, but if this 15 closes strong, you know, and this 30 closes strong, any bottom wicks, I may just look for some longs here, actually. Let's see how this 5 is going to close here. I think even if the 30 does, you know, still close strong, it's still going to get a bottom wick back down here to like 1934, and then you could be looking for something like this. So you could still, you know, pull back like 10 plus ticks before going higher.
The 1845 is quite prominent level.
1845. Yeah. I think on gold, like, so much of this trend line has so much liquidity that we need to grab. This is 5, like 1 more minute, this 5's gonna close. I'd like if we can get trade into this next 30. Look at Ron and Joe cuddling on the bed. He doesn't. If he left his camera on, so he just comes to turn it off. Look, see. Now he's pretending like he doesn't know. See.
I did a hint of jealousy there, Aaron.
I am actually jealous. I would love to be in Thailand right now. Actually, I'm pretty jealous. I might go to Bali next week or the week after for I need a little trip.
I'm not on about the being in town. I'm on about the cuddles.
Oh yeah, both.
Yeah.
Both, man.
And the lotion rubbing in the back with nightgowns on.
Yeah, you guys on YouTube are missing out.
Hey Joe, are you from somewhere around Liverpool?
Near Manchester.
I was trying to guess off your accent.
Mank. Alright, 30 just closed bullish here. Morningstar's been respected here. Any bottom wicks here on Goldie, and you may take this a little bit higher. I don't really like that you haven't really grabbed any of these lows. That's quite a nice 30 close there on gold. Come and grab some lows here and you may look for some pushes up, unless you flip back bearish. 30's closed bullish, hourly is still overall bearish. Oh, fuck off. Well, I say overall bearish, it's overall choppy to be honest, but in order to see where the next half an hour is going to go for a potential trade, let's see. I'm not a huge fan of this choppiness, but I think today on gold, you know, if you grab these highs first, then you got shorts all the way into these lows. So it's a matter of what are we going to grab first. You know, the hourly, even if the hourly is going to have a big push up on gold, you're going to at least see this low grabbed. It's never just going to be tap off support once and just push higher. It's very difficult. Very, very difficult. We have a lot of liquidity up here as well. So you got a lot of liquidity to these lows, and you got a lot of liquidity to highs. It's a matter of which are you going to grab first. But you know, in the most simplest terms, as long as the 15 trades above this level, any pullbacks, you know, you want to be buying the fact that gold's trading above this support. So if you can re-break these highs, you know, you may see a push. I'd like to see it grab these little lows. Wick out some lows now, and I'll be keen to see longs into this hourly close.
I like the way it's closed above on the futures anyway. 1835. I got a level going all across. Have you got one?
Yeah.
Mid-low.
Like, yeah.
I like that one, yeah.
Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. I like that, me. Yeah, if you can just wick out these lows and then re-break the highs, I would like to take this long. Unless the 5 minute just completely flips bearish, then fine, I'll go short. But to go long, yeah, I want to see it grab these lows. As soon as you start breaking this high, I think you could start to see a pretty decent push. It's difficult because the 30 has closed above, the hourly is still bearish.
Well, I like that. No. Come on.
Yeah, come on, give us something here, Goldie.
I'm so jealous that Joe's going into PP.
Oh yeah, me too,
That's my
man.
favorite place.
Yeah.
My favorite place, PP.
Yeah, I fucking love PP.
Or Fifi or whatever you say it.
PP, Fifi. Yeah, no, it is the best place ever. I wish we stayed there longer actually. Next time I go, I think I'll stay there longer and just chill.
It's genuinely a place where you can take the missus.
Oh yeah.
Or whatever.
Yeah,
It
luxury,
really
man.
is.
Paradise. Yeah, it's paradise. Especially that little infinity pool that we were at. That was incredible.
What was it, like 200 baht to go into that? What?
Yeah, something stupid. Something
Quid.
so cheap. Yeah. And it's just we were literally like the only ones there as well.
Yeah. Bringing us like bottles of Chang, and it's like
Yeah, let me see if I've got a. Where is it?
I would love to take the missus there, to be honest.
Yeah, you should, man. You definitely should. You definitely should.
Yeah, I think it might be a little bit too hot for the little one.
Yeah, I reckon. How old is she?
5.
Yeah, I reckon, man. Quite a long trip
Yeah,
to go.
It is, yeah.
Here it is. Look,
But she better get used to it.
there it is.
Yeah, that's it. Nice.
Photos don't do it any justice either.
No. Yeah, but she better get used to it because 2 years I'm on about going to Australia, so.
That'll be hot.
No, but I think it'd be all winter. I think it's like August.
August will be coming into our summer.
Okay, well, cool. That's great.
PP Islands, PP Islands, Monkey Island.
Monkey Island.
Did we go Monkey Island? Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did, yeah.
Yeah, incredible, man, incredible.
Joe fell in love with those 2 girls.
Yes, he did.
Right. Come on, what are you gonna do?
I know, look at this fucking 5 minutes. So dead, man. 15's looking alright, but I mean.
I think we will have some volume after ADP.
Yeah, man. It's. Look, the 15 is pushing up, but like. How much volume's in this 15? 5 ticks.
This can come down. I'm gonna go long after 1 minute.
Oh,
Come on.
he's doing it.
Come down.
What?
Come down.
Signals.
Come on. Come down.
Sounds like signals to me.
Sounds like signals.
Oh, we got 5 minutes. Still hasn't grabbed any of these little lows. Not that I'm not talking out your trade, but I'm just saying, yeah, I think we grabbed any of this.
Once limit. Jesus, on the 5 minute on the currency, it's looking like it's going to go bearish.
I know, I'm like wondering if we're going to sell on this flip of this current 5. But you just leave a little fucking double top there. Yeah. See here? There you go. A little stupid double top as well. Hasn't really grabbed 30 highs just yet. It's any man's game right now, I think, to be honest. You know, the hourly can still flip bearish, but where's it going to go in the next 30 minutes? As of right now, I don't really know. I don't really know. How many trades can you take a day on the 50k account? As many as you want, man. As long as you don't hit more than 50% of the profit target or hit your daily loss limit, you take as many as you want, man. There's no limit. As long as you're within the rules, yeah, you can take as many as you want. But yeah, just make sure you're not hitting 50% of the overall profit target and not hitting your max daily loss limit, and then you should be pretty good, man. You know, you can scale into trades if you want to as well, like times like this when it's choppy. If you're looking for overall sells, you can, you know, scale into it if you want. Good thing about futures is when you scale in, you know, it averages up your entry quite nicely as well. Something that I really like about the future side as well. It actually shows you where your average position is and bases it all off that.
Yeah.
It's quite nice, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, sweet. Cheers, mate. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. What time is it? Quarter. So 5 more minutes till this 15 is going to close. It's looking incredibly doji. Incredibly doji.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if anyone's in you guys on YouTube or Zoom. If anyone's in Bali, I might go to Bali next week or the week after for a couple of days for a little trip. I haven't fully decided yet, but I might go.
How long of a flight?
It's 6 hours direct, man. Something like so 6 hours direct from Brisbane, and it's only like $400 like each way, which is like it's pretty sweet. I could leave Brisbane at like 7 AM and be there by like 11 AM. So it's pretty good. It doesn't actually take that long.
So only about 2 hours more than each side to Perth.
Yeah, which is crazy. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Oh, look at that 5-minute re-breaking highs now. Look at this.
Well, I'd have been in profit.
Yeah, motherfucker. Gold, man.
Going off that level again on the 1 minute is lovely. Just looks crap.
It does, yeah. I need to stop fucking watching this 5 minute all the time. Look at that 10 ticks.
That's it.
Came back down, rebroke, still pushing 25, yeah. If we had just wicked out some lows there, I mean, I would have considered it, but that's alright. 15 is closing pretty strong now.
Yeah.
It's looking like the hourly may just be an actual fake out again, I think. You know, closed Bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish. Looking at that little double bottom closing back above.
I need to wait now for pullbacks.
Yeah, she's fucking pushing. She's pushing hard. Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah. It never happens when I'm in a fucking trade. The fuck. It never happens when I'm in a trade. It just fucking shoots.
Want to make good luck. Do you look at oil? No, not very much. I mean, I looked at it before, but I don't personally actively scalp it. We were just saying before. I don't think it's that great for scalping. I think it's more so better for day trading. Day trading and more so swing trading. You know, we have had some incredible swing trades on oil before. Back in the Forex days, I think we had like almost a 30% month just trading oil one time. Back in the day. Wow, look at this motherfucking command. Fuck you, gold.
Like even on a 3 minute, it's like wick to the lows, wick to the highs, and then it's just shot.
Boom.
Eat shit. You can't.
BO, we've had a fucking insane trade there as well. Look at that, there you go, ripping that motherfucking trend line now. 30-minute morning star played out. 50, look at that, 60 ticks off that 30-minute morning star. If we weren't watching 5, if you just gone off the 30, it would have been fucking beautiful. What would have stop speeds? You could have got it at the lows. Stop loss there. Yeah, crazy. Crazy. Close the other half full. Yeah, good trade, man. Great trade. Great catch. Yeah, I think you'll see gold spike higher. I mean, you could take the flip of this current 5 actually. How many ticks do you still have into the highs? Stop loss below previous 5 low. It's got some liquidity. 15 just closed incredibly bullish. Messing around that trend line again. Stop loss would be anywhere if it closed anywhere back below there. Well, I mean, even if it doesn't flip, you'd probably want to be cutting it. No, I don't think I'm going to get it in time. Buy stops on the flip of this current 5 look pretty nice if I get it in time. Wait, can I get it in? Do I want to put it in? Half risk? No, I'm not in. I'm not in this, but it may actually flip.
No. I'm not in yet.
No, I'm not in, man. Be break even right here. BE. Get them dollar signs up there. If you can pull back more, amazing. I'll look for some. I personally would take some longs from like here.
Yeah.
That give me a much better risk to reward. Because the 15 is, 15 is back at this resistance and hasn't grabbed any highs. So at any point, even the break of this current 15 high, you could see this drive up again on gold. This is probably the first confirmation we've actually had this morning. So this is nice. It's easy to see this and think you've missed the move, but this is the confirmation and this is the volume that you need. So any rejections from here, I want to be looking for this long. We're buying up into this trendline liquidity coming on down here as well. Anyone shorting gold right now is going to have some stops above this high. So any rejection from this level, I want to be looking for some longs. And I would consider just market executing from here. Stop loss based off closures. As long as we hold above this level. Longs. Ideal situation right now is if we start to reject here, Next 5 minute comes down, instant bottom wick, grab these little lows, and then, you know, you could actually have a pretty nice position there. So as long as this 5 doesn't flip, the next 5 regrabs the lows, that could be the trade. And I'll stick around for a bit longer if we get in a position as well, because this is the first real breakout that we've had all morning. So this is kind of what we want to see. I haven't got all minute. Right, 2 seconds, guys. I'm just gonna grab a drink. I mean, all buy stops on this current 5. If this current 5 breaks its own high, then that might have to be the play. Let me see. It's looking quite nice on the futures chart. So you could have a buy at what, 38.4 or 38.5. How long you got? 30 seconds. Is this 5 going to flip? If this 5 doesn't flip, then we could see these lows grabbed. I'm going to put a buy order in at 38.5 here. Wait, I haven't put it in just yet. It looked like it was going to flip. I haven't got this in just yet. I haven't got 5 seconds now. Let's wait. So if we can now come back down, grab some of these 5-minute lows here, then this could be the trade here. If it just re-breaks and keeps pushing, so be it. But if we can grab these lows and have a buy on this current 5, and stop loss is going to be wherever that low is going to be, unless it just flips from here. So be it. But I want to see it.
I mean, after this 5 closes, it would be the last 5 of the hour.
Yeah. Yeah, so you want to see it spike up quite soon. This is a nice breakout though. This is a nice breakout, and we're back around this trend line. So this is looking real nice. Also, wouldn't surprise me if gold just does what gold does and just pushes. Oh, go on.
Come on.
Go
Yeah,
on.
this one up is. Right, come on.
Come on, Goldie.
The 1 minute, the 2, this one on the previous has no wick to the highs also.
Nice.
Well, it would go nice with your confluence.
Yeah. That's what we want. That's what we want.
Drop.
Alright, cool. Yeah, so we're still pushing out. As soon as you grab these lows, you want to be looking for the push.
You could get a good breakout out of this trend line.
Yeah, that's what I would like, man. I want to be buying into this.
Yeah.
Because this looks like a pretty nice.
That was my
retail
idea
trap.
from the morning, but
This is like a pretty solid retail trap. Anyone taking shorts on gold right now, stops are going to be above this high. From where we're currently sitting, it's at least 15, 16 ticks, which is great.
Such a good reason to buy.
Yeah, I think so, man. There's a lot of good confluences. This is a nice setup now. No real, especially not in here. No real reason to get it here, but now we've had this nice strong push. This is the good confirmation. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. We could have a little play here soon. Little play here in a second, potentially. As soon as we wick out these lows, you want to see some rejection to see this flip higher. Oh, Marcus has joined him. The travel trader himself. Must be nice.
Oh yeah.
Here he is.
We grab the lows on future.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Are we stops to break even securing full here, or?
Yeah, we just closed some partials there at 100 ticks.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, today we are trying this new method of deleting the stop loss.
World's longest swing trade.
I mean, you are free to join. You are free to join.
When you buy the dip, but it keeps dipping.
That's what we do here. We swing the stop loss, we scalp the TP.
Yeah.
Man.
You taking any trades yet, Mark?
Today,
Yeah.
no.
Come on.
I had a couple of I went like a couple of losses last night, ended up being like just over 1% down, which is a bit annoying, but that's what I get for trading the shop.
Yeah, I did fucking chop yesterday.
We all do it. We all do it.
No, I
Are
don't.
you trading NAS?
Well, Naz I had a clean move marked up on Naz, and here I was trying to catch my little scalp on gold, and it just wrecked me.
Yeah, it did.
1% or overall drawdown is 1%.
Yeah, so I'm used to it, which I overtraded though. I look at my journal, man. Anytime I stick to my free trades map for the day, anytime I go over that, it's usually a losing day. So
Yeah, I
it's
agree.
important to journal.
100%, man. 100%.
So we all muck up,
Yeah.
which is one of those things.
It's
Except
teasing, isn't it?
except
It
Alad. Alad doesn't muck up. He just takes W's. So
Yeah. If this just looks down a little bit and then gives.
Oh yeah, don't be a asshole. Don't push from here.
Sorry, Mark, I will answer, you know. No, don't do it.
Nah, I don't think it will. I don't really want to take the break of them highs because there's only 7 ticks into highs. Like I'm considering the flip of this 15, but the TP area is not really worth it. If it grabbed, the only way I can take buys up into here if it's from here. I can't take it from here; it's too small. But from here, sure.
it's only 100 contracts anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's not much, man. I take 100 contracts. 1 tick, I'm done.
Yeah, trade with us, you could upgrade to business class.
Oh,
Since
yes.
you are going to Vietnam soon.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, no. I like to explain to like 50 different people about what I'm doing and where I'm going, and I'm like,
What work people?
yeah.
Oh, so awkward. I hate that.
Sometimes I feel difficult to explain it to the family rather than work people.
Yeah, it's true, man.
Yeah, it'd be harder. I've been fortunate. My parents have always backed me with whatever I do because I've always been pretty independent with stuff. So they were both like, "Do it. If you don't do it now, you'll regret it," sort of thing.
Yeah.
That's real good. Having supportive parents is a good thing.
Yeah,
Ah, for sure, man.
definitely.
I would.
Yes, sir.
Do you know why my trading view is 10 minutes slow?
Probably probably
Because it's in Manchester time.
you must be on the delayed one. You got to pay like $5 a month to have the CME futures charts. Or you can just use the currency gold. To be honest, it's like pretty much the exact same. I pay $5 a month to get the data package.
Must be nice.
You got it.
Look at these two.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
Life of a traveling trader, living the life in Thailand.
Must be nice. Joe hasn't changed his hairstyle in the last 12 months.
Yeah, you just grew yours back. Or it's been good for It's not all about, you know what I mean, chilling.
Welcome to Thailand, bro.
Yeah, it must be nice.
Wonder what the
I need to run, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
You know, worries.
See you, bro.
Cheers, man. Enjoy.
Will do.
See you, mate. Oh, wait.
See you, bro.
This is what I want to see. I want to see
Are you on
this.
YouTube, Aaron?
Yes, man. Yeah.
Cool.
This is really what I want to see on gold here. I'm gonna stick around for a little bit more because I think this could give it in a second. I want to see this. I want to see this dip down into here and longs up into there. And I want to be buying up into all of this trendline fuckery. So on the open of this next candle, I want to see this push down pretty early on. Yeah, look at this. Albi's looking juicy. I mean, Albi could give a bottom wick all the way back down into like, you know, 1835.2 before ripping the highs. So just don't be an asshole and do it now.
Man, if it busts to that trend line liquidity, that could be very nice.
That's what I want to buy into. I want to be. Oh, don't do it, gold.
Oh. Don't do it.
If it just does it, then.
Gold can be a douche sometimes, hey.
Yeah, sometimes it just runs, man. Sometimes you just gotta execute and just see how it goes. Motherfucker. If you
Is that financial advice?
No. Can I just see your AFSL if that's financial advice, please, sir? Come on, gold. Grab at least, grab this 15-minute low, and I'm gonna go long. Go on, be good to us. We've been patient with you all morning.
The market owes us. How the market works.
Yeah, it owes me big time. 100 ticks or nothing today.
Yeah, we're definitely getting 50 ticks.
Yeah, easy.
I swear you just said 50 dicks.
I've been banned on YouTube because of ours.
Don't flip.
Fucking think it will. Excuse me, French. I think it will.
Since the last buy is close to bullish.
Yeah, very bullish, man. You haven't grabbed any of these lows, so because all of these lows haven't been grabbed. As soon as you get up into here, as soon as you liquidate this trend line, today you could see gold come back all the way back down into here. I would rather take this long up and be covered and be out. But if you don't grab any of these lows, and you come up into here, that's the short level.
One more scenario, like we could still be playing the trend line, like it could still turn bearish and go on.
Yeah, definitely, man. So where's the next? Let me move my mic out of the way. We could get a bottom wick here. You get a bottom wick here, like 1937. Oh, see, now this is good. This is what we want to see.
Alright, we're pushing.
Now we're talking, gold.
Go on.
Now we're talking.
Go, gold.
Come on.
Stop loss would be like 15 ticks.
Yeah. No top wick on this current 30 either, which is perfect.
30 ticks target. Do the pole. Will it grab the lows?
And we'll do the opposite. We'll do the
Oh
opposite.
shit, sorry.
give us this pullback. Boom. Boom. Come on, Goldie.
Go on.
I ain't watching this all day. And it's probably gonna take like at least half an hour to play out, to be honest.
Yeah.
Just try tapping on the screen.
Let me give it a go. Oh, which camera are you on? Oh, you're on that camera.
Oops, why didn't go?
You want to see a camera change?
Oh, here we go.
Angle. Oh,
Look at that.
look. It's the YouTuber.
Oh.
I'm listening.
It's Guru, sir.
Yeah, cause honestly, I think this could take a while. But this would be the ideal long area.
Good thing is we still don't have a top wing on it yet.
Yeah, which is really nice. Which is very,
Still
very, very
down.
nice. The likelihood of this 30 just closing with no top wick is very unlikely after the way that hourly closed.
Yeah.
So anywhere in pretty much anywhere in here is the long opportunity.
Alright, it's grabbing.
Do we have any news today? I don't think so. Or is there some news today? ADP non-fault employment changes. But yeah, so there's news. There's news at pre-New York. That's quite a while away yet. Still like 4 hours away. Come on, Goldie. If this was looking good, now it's just back to being so fucking slow. This is the times where you got to set some alerts and let Gold chill. Because it's so boring watching every 5-minute close.
Yeah.
It's painful. It teases you. Just trying to get you to take a trade. If you could take the break at 30 high, but stop's going to be pretty big. Hard stops anyway.
Aaron, you should do a video for the Discord or the channel on how you do your hard stops, but then you manage based on closures. So
Yeah, good idea, man. Let me put that down.
I reckon that'd be pretty valuable, considering you look at your, like I said, your losers compared to your winners. If you do a where you set your hard stops compared to how you manage a trade as it plays out, I reckon that'd be pretty valuable.
Yeah, good shout, man. I'll definitely do that. Hard stops versus real stops.
I'll use code Mark10 for affiliate link.
Yeah, no, it's a good shout, man.
I have a feeling that the moment we go off the stream, this is gonna happen.
Yeah. I mean, you could just set a buy order on the break of the current behind 30 high and just see how it goes, but I'm not really keen to hold this.
Didn't Warren Buffett say when in doubt, market execute?
I think so.
Say it again? Say it again?
Yeah, Warren Buffett, not my words, his words.
What did he say?
He said when in doubt, market execute.
Yeah.
Yeah, I read that in his book as well. I remember that part. It's
He
great.
also said that when everyone's having something like when everyone's in fear, you could buy.
Yeah,
He knows, the man knows.
he knows.
He's seen a market execution or two in his life.
I mean, you'll see some things on Instagram I didn't see.
This is also a nice level just to buy off, to be honest. I think I'd rather wait for the break because how choppy it is. I mean, you know, the 30 is at a level now. This is the key resistance. So if you start flipping from here, you know, you got to be open to that.
One candle with good volume and wear it.
Come on, Goldie. I want to make my dinner. I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. That's actually all I'm fucking thinking about. I'm fucking
It's
starving.
way past my lunchtime and I'm sitting here.
It's almost past my bedtime.
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
Oh,
nah, that's
Oh.
fine. I'll get in time.
I'll wait for the close. You getting in?
No, I'm not in yet. No. Should have market execute off that level.
40 seconds for the close.
10 ticks off that level in seconds. Seconds.
10 tickeries.
10 tickeroonies, yeah. I mean, yeah, anywhere in this region, you know, this whole trend line is going to get smashed. Absolutely smashed.
Break off the high and take stop loss.
There's some big moves on gold 'cause it's got a heap of liquidity to clear out, and the range is huge to get to the top of both sides.
Yeah, so much, man. So much. Yeah, you can see, like, you can see how easy it is to get 10 ticks on gold. Literally buying off that level up into top wick is 12 ticks.
Buy looks nice. You could take the buy, break off the high.
Let's wait for 15. If this 15 doesn't flip, you'll very likely see these grabbed. But I'm personally not gonna wait for that.
Oh, you got the Aaron Trades fan club happening in Thailand on Ron's story.
Oh, do I know? Let me see. Let's have a look.
Ron's flexing their room with his 2 iPads. Must be nice.
Look at that. Oh, I didn't even get a tag. That's Ron. Where's the tag? You have to screenshot it now. I need my claim to fame.
Shit, sorry.
Sorry. It was too late anyway.
I'm getting too hungry for this.
Yeah, man, I'm fucking starving.
What's Sammy cooking for dinner tonight?
Oh, I think he's making some spag of old tonight. He whips up a mean little spag bowl.
That's what I'm making.
Oh, you
know something I don't.
Did you see Sammy sticking his tongue out? I thought you might enjoy that.
Yeah.
On my story, sticking his little tongue out.
Loves it.
He's a good lad. So how long is it until you go back? A couple of weeks?
6th of November I fly out.
Nice, man, nice.
So I've used up like the last of my Qantas points.
That's worth it, man. God, man, I'm watching 1840.6 for a reverse, maybe 40.6. Yeah, back up in these highs. Yeah, you may just push from here, to be honest. Like I say, longs off that 30 level was probably the most logical entry as of yet.
Nasdaq was looking like it was gonna have a nice little 5-minute setup, but now it's just pushed through the highs.
Yeah, it came so close to them lows as well, didn't it?
It was a nice little 5-minute thing forming there before that 15 closed crap on the last 5, but
yeah, look at that hourly reflip back bullish, yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah, she's pushing. Yeah, that was the trade. That was the entry. Sweet. Alright, guys, that's me for London. I need some fucking food. I'm too hungry to watch this anymore. But yeah, I'll chat to you guys in Discord later on. Wait for it. You're very likely going to see these highs grabbed. That was the ideal entry. But yeah, I'd wait. If you do still get pullbacks into these 15 lows without grabbing these highs, that'll be another entry. But I think you'll probably just grab them from here now. But yeah, I'll update you guys in like a couple of hours once we get some more price action. So enjoy, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy, guys. Bye-bye.
In a bit.
See you, man. Bye. Alright, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up here. Had a nice little push there. You know, I didn't manage to catch it. But I'm going to wait for a little bit more price action and come on later on. You guys on YouTube called a nice little trade today. I'll recap it at some point. But I appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. And I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys tomorrow, actually, same time again, 2 hours in the London session every single day this week. So enjoy, trade safe. See you guys next time. Peace.